So to fix this problem, projecting to this PC, here we are seeing gray colored, not highlighted, right? So we cannot move this one. We cannot change anything. At this situation, we have to install the one more thing, wireless display. Just click on here, optional features, okay? Just optional features and add a feature. Add a feature. Here click on wireless. See wireless display. Just select this and install again. So this is installing now. See, previously this should be like this, right? See, we cannot move anything. Now after installation, you can check that. This is done, right? Now you can check. See, this is highlighted now. You can move this one to available everyone, everywhere on source networks. See, my desktop name is desktop MV something. This one. See, you can see this one. Here, you have to click on launch the connect app to the product to the this PC. Now you can check for the cached option in your mobile to cache the. Just click on the cache in your mobile. That will trying to connect now. The desktop is ready to see it is connected. See, mobile is connected. We can try now anything. Okay. Yes, in this way you can connect this one. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel.